All love relationships benefit from some degree of mutual dependence. However, being overly dependent in a relationship might backfire. We all require a support system, and your emotional dependence on your guy can make him feel loved and appreciated. But relying too heavily on him for even the smallest of things, or becoming overly dependent or clingy, is unhealthy in the long run. So what are the signs that you're too needy? Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let's go. 1. You always seek validation. We all desire approval and flattering remarks about ourselves. But you could be needy if you value his praise and opinion over your own. 2. You text him constantly. When your relationship is new, texting can be exciting. But when you haven't received a response from him and you keep texting, it's a sign that you are desperate. 3. You are irrationally jealous. Do you feel jealous if your guy interacts with other women or goes out with his friends? If the answer is yes, it's a sign you're needy. 4. You are always together. When you and your guy are always hanging out together, he might not feel comfortable telling you that he really needs some time alone. 5. You snoop on your partner. You follow his social media feed and text messages with obsession, always looking at every like and comment and accusing him of flirting or cheating. Are you seeing signs that you're needy yet? Here's more. 6. You expect him to read your mind. Because you think he should know you, you get upset when he doesn't instantly know how you feel and what you want. 7. You always want him with you. You find it hard to do anything without him, even running quick errands. 8. You're neglecting your friends. Your friends complain that you don't spend time with them anymore, and you know it's true. 9. You can't imagine your life without him. You're constantly afraid he'll abandon you and you'll be alone. And finally, number 10. You don't know your self-worth. You feel your self-worth and identity is tied to his happiness, and you'll sacrifice your happiness for his. Did you see signs that you're needy? If so, work on building your self-esteem. You deserve a happy life. Thanks for watching.